Okay, we've got an LG. It's having an issue with the power board. Figured it out. This model's it's a model number is 42 LG 50 FD-AD. And this one here was having problems once it was turned on. It just wouldn't, after a while it heated up, it wouldn't turn back on once you turned it off. So we fixed that. Take the back off, just hang on a second. Okay, we've got the back off it now. There's a graphic. Well, this one's got the power board issue. So what I've done is there's two caps on this power board, which are 10 volt be 3300. There's one here, which I've already replaced with a bigger one. This one is 16 volt be 4700. That's all I could get from the electronics store. That's all they stocking around here. So they work anyway. So we've got this one here. Replace him. He was a 10 volt 3300. And also replace this one here. And that solves the issue. Too easy. So if you got the same one with the same board, remember this one.